Welcome to this channel. Let us solve the following problem. Make x the subject of the formula p is equal to xy over z plus x into bracket raised to power half. So how can we get the solution? So p is equal to, this bracket raised to power half is the same as the square root of xy is equal to z plus x. So this is xy over z plus x. It is the same as the square root. It is the same as the square root. So the square root of xy over z plus x is equal to p, and this is the same as p raised to power 2. P squared is equal to xy over z plus x. So now what we do, we cross multiply. P squared into z plus x is equal to xy. We open this bracket, p squared times z plus p squared x is equal to xy. We move this one the other side. P squared z is equal to xy minus p squared x. Now x is common here, x is common here. So we can say that p squared z is equal to x into y into bracket y minus p squared. Now we can divide by y minus p squared here, and also we divide here by y minus p squared here. So when we divide, this goes that, and x is equal to p squared z over y minus p squared. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.